back to Day Trading Futures. Today it's Wednesday and we're ready for our crude oil weekly report. So without further ado, let's go to the charts and say what the market has got in store for us today. Right, so let's have a quick breakdown and see what is happening. We still got 10 minutes to go before we in fact have our report. So let's go and have a quick look on the breakdown side of things. And then hopefully that will give us a good insights where the market is about to go and what we could potentially expect to happen. So as we speak at the moment, obviously a crude oil is preparing for that report, I believe. It's a little sell-off as it stands at the moment. We broke the moving average, consolidate that, and then continue selling off from here. Obviously, I'm not going to be entering before the report, although I could have potentially entered on the consolidation right here, where is my edge. But yeah, 9 out of 10, I like to wait before I take a position for the report. So looking on the daily, crude oil has been very bullish for the last few days, as you can see, since we hit that 72.5 mark. We have bounced off that support, and then we have made some significant gains in the last few days. Well done to those who managed to take advantage of those moves, including myself. So congratulations. If not, obviously you'll be looking on to move on to the next opportunity and then take it from there. Now, looking at quickly natural gas, as you can see, we broke above the moving average. Great pattern potentially to get into, as we broke also the 5-minute moving average, and also we bouncing off the hourly moving average. A great opportunity for a long trade at the moment with natural gas for those who have managed to get in on time. Now, potentially it's too late to enter into a long position unless you have obviously different edge to go by. So let me just get quickly into the flow of the market, see what is happening, and then we'll then discuss what is the opportunity as it comes and how we could potentially take advantage of that. Okay, crude oil is bouncing off that support we previously created around $79 per barrel. Let's see if that's gonna hold it. I am good at myself personally because I haven't got long in natural gas at the moment. It's been quite a nice pattern right here. Broke above, consolidate right here, and then move on from there. So let's say if the resistance of 3.1 will hold. Natural gas has been also very bullish throughout the month. As you can see, June, we then broke the moving average. We sold off a little bit right here around the 4th of June, but then ever since we've been strong bulls in the natural gas, which is good for those people holding potentially a good large swing trade for the last couple of weeks or so. That would have gained quite a lot, and it's keep on gaining by the looks of things. Let's see what that's gonna take us. All eyes on crude oil at the moment as we are approaching that report at 3:30 UK time. Okay, we just have that very bullish candle trying to break the moving average. But let's see where that's gonna take us. Okay, natural gas, it's potentially keep on pushing, although we have some indecision in the market on that resistance level I mentioned earlier. A couple of empty candles right here. Let's see where this one's gonna close, and we'll take it from there. Okay, yeah, continue breaking with natural gas. Not surprised, to be fair, because we're bouncing off the hourly moving average right here. And yeah, I told you earlier already, I am gutted because I didn't enter long position with natural gas. Yes, I am. I had my lunch at the time. I wasn't in the flow of the market. Obviously, it's different trading from your phone compared to having all the screens and charts here in front of me, seeing that bounce off the hourly, break above the moving average on the 5-minute and also on the 1-minute chart. But hey ho, just focusing on the next opportunity as it comes, to be fair. Right, so crude oil, it's bouncing off at the moving average once again. Let's see what will happen. Only 5 minutes to the report. So let's see. Are we gonna break that resistance forming at the moving average with crude oil? It's a big question to be answered, and I think we'll be looking to answer that question very soon. Yeah, very bullish on natural gas, honestly. What a opportunity to enter. Okay, we're testing that resistance moving average at the moment with crude oil. Okay, we almost hit previous highs with natural gas, and crude oil is pushing. It is pushing. Okay, we closed above the moving average on crude oil. Let's see if that's gonna be enough to hold. Consolidate. Wait for the report. Wait for the report, right? Don't know what will happen with the report, so don't want to be second guessing myself. For those who already know how I trade, they know I don't like to be second guessing myself. I do find lately, I do hesitate sometimes on a trade, which is something I need to resolve sooner rather than later, and get back into that winning mentality I possess. So I'll be working on that in the next day or so, without hesitation, so to speak. But it's a bit difficult sometimes, if I'm honest with you, because when you get a losing trade, you'll be like, okay, it's one off. When you get a second losing trade, you're like, okay, another one. Then when you get a third in a row, you then start to questioning yourself. And I think that is the pitfall where many traders fall in, because we as day traders, we have to rely on the probabilities, right? So if you have an edge in the market and you do use that edge every time, regardless of what the chart is looking at, you here, Turk, I'm here as well. Welcome, which is good. I'm just talking about hesitation sometimes I'm finding myself in to enter a trade specifically. Are you currently in a trade, Turk? I hope you are in a long position with natural gas. I really hope you are. So yeah, I need to be working on a little bit of not hesitating before my trades. So that's what I was talking about, because sometimes when you get a few trades in a row, losing trades especially, then you start to question yourself whether or not that strategy is right. But as soon as you question yourself, then obviously you're losing that mindset you need. Hi, you're in a long with natural gas. When did you get the long position with natural gas? Was it just the break above here, the moving average on my setup? Or was it earlier, potentially? Because I can see we have a double bottom, triple bottom right here. 1, 2, 3, boom. We're testing now higher highs of the day. So it will be interesting. Report is in 1 minute of crude oil, by the way. So let's see what that brings us. Obviously, market has stagnant for a little bit right here above the moving average. Let's see if that's going to be enough. Let's see. I'm quite eager to find out what the report is today. I never read the reports myself. No. Oh, it's negative. That is a gap. Okay, we gapped up below the 5-minute moving average. $79 per barrel. Okay. Very bearish report. Is that gonna trigger a huge sell-off throughout the next couple of days? I mean, we may as well pull back to about $78 per barrel right here on the moving average on the daily. But again, we'll see what will happen. But yeah, that is very bearish. Huge bearish candle. You can see it on the 1 minute and then on the 5 minutes as well, right here. Okay, let's see if crude oil will continue making lower lows after the report and see where that takes us. We're potentially looking to consolidate the 79 resistance as it is just above the moving average on the 5-minute chart as well. And then if that is to happen, we'll then potentially looking to sell off to about 78 right here, where is the hourly moving average at the minute. Natural gas has stabilized above. 2.95 was your entry earlier. Are you options or are you just natural gas trading? 295. Just looking at 295, you probably hold your position from yesterday. Just looking at the charts and everything else, which would have been strategic, to be fair with you, Turk, because obviously $3 per contract for natural gas, it's a very strong support. It's a huge support, and luckily we broke above it this week. Was it this week? Yes, we did. I mean, last week we kind of tested it a few times, once to be precise, but then this week has been very bullish on natural gas and crude oil as well. So very good long positions across the board. Normal natural gas and options. Are you holding your position from last week or? Okay, let's see what will happen with the precious crude oil. Kind of finding some support right here. Or we just consolidate the lower lows we just made after the report. That's good, you took profit. Well done. That's all it's about. It's about taking profits, making sure you're on the green side from last week, yeah. Are you more into a swing trades or are you more into just a day trades? You continue selling off crude oil at the moment. We're approaching a round number. Intra and swing, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm more into intraday trading myself, but I've been reading Market Wizards, by the way, and they talk about a lot of swing trades, keeping with the trend and everything like that. So I have probably planted that seed in my mind to be trading on the larger time frames, such as an hour and 4 hours, just for the sake of a swing trade. Because yes, intraday we can make more money from day to day. But sometimes you can also lose more money, so to speak, because the more trades we open, the more risk we're running. Those trades are not working, and the more profit we may lose, or no, more losses we can take. So yeah, I've been thinking about swing trades as well. I have indeed on the longer time frames. I think it may as well work. Okay, crude oil continues selling off. Although we oversold already on the RSI, we may as well continue selling off to about 78.5, where we should potentially find some support. But again, that is not guaranteed because we may as well just pass through it like a hot knife through butter. Okay, so you do only intraday on the puts and calls, but then swing trades natural gas. It does make sense, to be fair. They do talk about a lot of swing trades in Market Wizards. I mean, if the big boys are doing it, sometimes I'm questioning myself why I'm actually trading intraday compared to a larger time frames. Okay, we do find some kind of a support building with crude oil, or it may not be at all. Okay, natural gas is testing a support of 3.1 for contract at the minute. Let's see if we'll break that. Okay. I mean, looking at it, nothing to really hold that level for natural gas. Only traders acting on their beliefs, right? That's all it is. Cool. I'll be closely monitoring a crude oil and natural gas still, potentially for some reversals or breakouts, or even though just following the trends I found to be a very good strategy, just bouncing off the moving averages like here, and then so forth. So many examples. I do hate when it's a consolidation though. I hate that. I do tend to be losing more money when market is consolidating, but it's one of them things. I'm gonna wrap up for today because time has really gone and flown by. We looked at the report and it was very bullish report. No, it's bearish. Yeah, so we looked at the report. Crude oil is bearish all the way through today. So let's see if that's gonna have a knock-on effect for the rest of the week. And if it does, we're sure to take some good profit on that moves. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll be trading live again tomorrow. We'll be looking at natural gas report tomorrow, and let's see what the market has got in store for us. Thank you so much for today, and I wish you a fantastic trading day full of profits. May God bless you. Thank you.